This is Nick Hopp with High Point Land Company, and I wanted to give you a land update on what we're seeing in Allamakee County, Iowa. So Allamakee County typically categorizes their land in two different buckets. We've got our recreational farm sales and our tillable and agricultural land sales. Both of these land markets are experiencing an extreme scarcity, and we've got the lowest number of publicly offered sales that we've had in the last 4 to 5 years. With the current scarcity in the land market in Northeast Iowa and Allamakee County specifically, we're seeing these properties range, with recreational land values still holding their own between $7,000 and $9,000 per acre, with tillable land values still bringing a premium with ranges anywhere from $10,000 to $13,000 an acre. With that being said, there are a few different scenarios where we're seeing a premium to those averages, but that gives you a general sense of the market today. If you're interested in finding out what your farm is worth in Allamakee County, please visit our website at highpointlandcompany.com or give me a call at 319-240-6121.